Alright YouTube, so I'm back and today we have a UI from Soaring Key. So this is like a nature style UI. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to make this. Should not take too long. This is not that difficult, so let's get right into it. So first of all, I'm just going to ignore the vectors for now. So we're gonna make the actual frames first. So new layer, go down here to your rounded rectangle tool and radius, let's go for 30 or so. That should work. Fill, you can hold alt and click on this color. Let's just go over and make the shape. As you can see, move this over. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Let's see. Okay, so right click, let's hit rasterize layer, and let's use our polygonal lasso tool right here. So click and hold, and you could select this tool. You see this cut, you just wanna click again and finish shape. Hit backspace on your keyboard and then hit Ctrl D to deselect. There's a minor cut here, so I'm also gonna make that. Alright, so once you're happy, right click and hit blending options right here. I'm gonna hit stroke, zoom in, and just click on color and select on this color right here. As you can see, size, I'm gonna go for like 7. Next, let's go for a drop shadow, angle 90, opacity all the way up, spread and size, distance, like so. Color and select this one. Let's make the X button, so new layer, back to the rectangle tool, hold shift and alt as you drag this out to make it square, like so. Okay, let's double click. Let's go for color overlay. And let's select this little pink color. Let's move this over. Okay, let's go for a drop shadow, and let's go for this color. Very simple stuff. Let's hit OK. Let's right click and hit rasterize layer style and go back into blending options and add a stroke. So this wraps around the entire thing. Select on this color. And as you guys can see, we have a proper X button, like so. Very simple. Alright, now for this little background elements, we're gonna make a new layer. Back to the rectangle tool, we're just gonna go over the first shape, like so. I'm gonna double click right here and select on this orange color. He has these stripes, but I'm too lazy to make that, so right click, rasterize layer, lasso tool, we're gonna make these cuts. So first cut here, can't really see it, but okay, first cut here and the second cut here at the bottom, like so. Very easy. Let's go into blending options and let's hit stroke right here and select on this color, and let's go for a nice drop shadow. Actually no, wait, hold on. Okay, so let's hit OK first. Alright, let's right click, hit copy layer style. Let's take the FX icon and drag it into the trash to remove the effects, because we're going to Ctrl J to copy this twice, so we have 3 copies, like so. And I'm gonna hold shift, click on the to have all 3 selected, hit Ctrl E to merge, and right click and hit paste layer style. There we go. And we're just gonna move this below this layer. Boom, there we go. That looks amazing, if you ask me. Okay, new layer, and for the title, same thing. You can just paste layer style this time, keep it simple. Paste layer style, because we already have the layer style, and just move this right here. Very easy. And same with this thing, copy this actually. Just make this the same size. Okay. And now for the flowers here, you just go to flaticon.com, look up flower, and suppose these can go like right here. Oops. I don't know. Just be creative, I guess. And yeah, that is pretty much it. It's very simple. That's going to be it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If this helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more. We're going to really aim for 10k subs, so I hope you guys can help us with that. And in exchange, we will continue providing you guys with more content. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.